Despite the launch of the Air Max DN8, Nike isn't done with the Air Max DN just yet. The 2024 Air Max Day Standout returns for fall or winter in new, experimental looks, one of which features a hazy black and gray colorway with an abstract camo-style upper. This version sees gray on the midsole and synthetic mudguard, while black details cover the tongue, air chambers, lining, and outsole, creating a stealthy yet modern vibe. Following the recent Nike x Lego collaboration, this release signals continued momentum for the DN line. With innovative styling and its signature visible air comfort, the model still has plenty of energy left. Retailing for $170, it's built for those who appreciate subtle tones and evolving design. Expect this eye-catching addition to arrive on Nike.com and at select retailers soon, where fans of progressive aesthetics and sleek performance sneakers will be ready to add it to their rotation.